Welcome to UniCLean America, a leader in green and eco-friendly marine chemical solutions. UniCLean America provides marine chemicals and specialty solutions for marine, offshore, and industrial operations. Our vision and mission focus on innovation, sustainability, safety, and trusted customer solutions. Our goals are growth, customer satisfaction, and environmental responsibility across every solution we deliver. With supply presence across the USA, UAE, KSA, and worldwide markets, we support marine, offshore, and industrial operations globally. Our DeepTech specialty solutions focus on green, eco-friendly, and advanced chemical formulations. For tank cleaning, UniCLean America supports cargo tanks, cargo holds, and seawater system cleaning applications. Our water treatment range supports boilers, cooling systems, potable water, reverse osmosis, and evaporators. UniCLean America supports marine wastewater treatment with biological solutions for vessel waste systems. Our fuel oil treatment solutions support biocides, lubricity improvement, and sludge control requirements. We provide degreasers, solvent cleaners, ultrasonic solutions, and specialty maintenance products. Our descaling and rust treatment range supports scale removal, safe descaling, and rust solutions. Our test kits support boiler, cooling, potable water, oil, and bacteria dip slide testing. Our supply range includes detergents and gases for industrial, commercial, specialty, and calibration needs. UniCLean America is your house of chemicals for lab-grade chemicals, raw materials, and industrial ingredients. UniCLean America welcomes distributor opportunities worldwide with trusted partners for global growth. UniCLean America, clean ship, clean sea, clean tank. Advanced solutions for marine, offshore, and industrial operations worldwide.